Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, from now on we started a course of ChatGPT in which I teach you about how you can use ChatGPT for blogging, for as a student, and there are many use of ChatGPT. We use ChatGPT free model because if you don't use ChatGPT as a student or as any professional, you will miss many things, and you also waste a lot of your time. ChatGPT saves your time, so that's why the first in this first video I will teach you how you can write blog posts through ChatGPT. We have to train ChatGPT, but first of all I am going to ChatGPT, and this is the interface of ChatGPT. You just have to give your phone number and email to sign up, and that's it. So here I write my topic is like how to lose belly fat. So I give a prompt to the ChatGPT. The more your prompt is accurate, the more it will give you results. So first of all, we would like to say hi to ChatGPT. So now you have to tell about yourself so he can easily understand your results or outcomes. So I am a sorry content writer so I said I'm a content writer and I need your help, and he said of course. After that, I want to write 1,000 words article on how to lose belly fat, but first give me outline of 5 points. So he gave me, so in this way we can use it more efficiently. So he gave me five main points: understanding the belly fat, the main points. So now I would like, so write about write about the first point with full SEO optimization and keywords, and don't use robotic words. So as you can see, it gives you the whole uh, about like first point. So in that way you can set him now write about second point, and in this way complete the whole 5 point. So it is start writing, but I do not want to make a too long video, so I will give you the idea. So then you have to give him a good prompt like this first of all hey, then tell him about you, and after that uh, give him the data and ask him to give you the results. So this is a very good technique to work on, and I personally use it. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.